This kit review is of the Supermarine Spitfire, the Mk.I, the first one, and it is a 1/72nd scale model by Tamiya. There are the dimensions. This is part of their Warbirds collection, and here we have some pictures of the finished model. It's from June 1940, the beginning of the war, and some more pictures of the model there. Colors needed there. Let's have a look inside. So, first of all here, let's have a look at our glass. We've got, looks like 3 different canopies there, and 2 different windshields. It's a little unusual. They all look very similar. We do have 2 of these poly caps. We'll have to look to see where those are going to go. Probably for the propeller. And then over here we've got our wings, and this is very nicely molded. Some recessed panel lines there, some nice surface detail. Here we have underneath some detail here for the ailerons and insides of the wheel wells. We've also got the sides of our fuselage, left and right, with some nice details there. You could cut out the little door side there. This is for underside of the engine. Here's our radiator. There is the actually nicely detailed instrument panel there, and then this is the former for behind the seat. The seat will sit on there. We've got our oxygen tanks, pitot tube, and our control column there. Here is the actual seat. There are the pedals in the base of the cockpit. There's our elevator, landing gear. This is our landing gear wheel well covers. There's the wheels and the tail. Over here we've got the underside. This is the underside of the wing with some nice detail, and the 4 different exits for the bullet casings. And then over here we've got our spinner for the propeller, engine, exhausts, and then our actual propeller. And over here we've got our decals. Let's have a look at those. This is for the beginning of the war, the Mk.I, and nicely printed decals. Okay, over here we've got the details here about the Spitfire, the Mk.I. Some pictures of the finished model, the same picture there again. And those are the colors needed there. And then that's the inside here of the Spitfire. That's where the poly cap goes. It's for the propeller. Here we've got the details for the cockpit going inside the fuselage. Shows you how to paint the instrument panel there. And then we've got those are the different canopies there, and there are exhausts. So it looks like that's the straight canopy and then the blown canopy. We've got our landing gear, and then the wing assembly, putting the landing gear on, and then our wings. That's the propeller and spinner going on there, and then that's all mounted onto the fuselage. So over here we've got the 2 different versions here. This is one of the very early versions that they had black and white, so they could see that they weren't enemy, but it made them very easy to see for the enemy as well. So all in all, that's a very nice model kit. Great one for beginners, and it's a fun size too.